We all know that BMW has a very long tradition in the construction of motorcycles, and today I will show you one of BMW's flagships, BMW S1000R. Welcome to Motor News. My name is Tomas, and I will start the story about this motorcycle by saying that this naked bike is assembled BMW with its MotoGP roots and its inline 4 engine that has 165 horsepower at 11,000 rpm fully lives up to its duties, and these practical figures, if we add to this its torque of 140 Nm at 9,250 rpm, make sure that we are dealing with a real cold-blooded street fighter. This engine is almost the same motor found in the 1000RR, although it does without shift-cam technology. As for its gearbox, it was completely updated for 2022, and today it's in the less short, precise throws between gears. The 6-speed gearbox is one of the slickest in the business, and also is an optional up-down quickshifter, and it makes for quite the sublime sporting experience when wheeling through the canyons. Ladies and gentlemen, I agree with me that there are very impressive technical characteristics, and that's not all. I will also say that the ratios of the S1000R gearbox improve comfort and fuel economy. This means that we use these motorcycles every day. This appeals to those who are already in relationship with similar monsters. To tell the truth, BMW supersport bikes always have problems, and I haven't heard anything about it yet. I only heard one thing, like the clutch lever doesn't have a span adjuster. A problem for small heads. There can be excessive engine noise, and some owners have had problems with cam chain adjusters and even broken valves. I don't know. I'm not sure of the accuracy of this information, but I don't include anything. So friends, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel to see other interesting videos.